Mark your calendar for November 17th to 21st, 2025, as the world's aviation leaders will gather to unveil the future of flight at the Dubai Air Show. This isn't just an event, it's the future of the aerospace industry coming together to make ideas take flight and turn the impossible into reality. From autonomous UAVs to commercial aviation breakthroughs, this new edition will showcase the technologies that are shaping the future today. With more than 1,400 exhibitors and over 100,000 visitors, the opportunities to connect, collaborate, and innovate are endless. Beyond Vision joins the journey by leading the way in AI-powered drone systems. Our autonomous solutions are already transforming industries by making logistics smarter, agriculture more precise, and inspections safer. Now, we'll share how our pioneering efforts in AI-driven solutions will help evolve aerospace technologies and bring the future of flight closer than ever before.